In this short video, we'll get you started with Brainingcamp Live. Using Live is easy. Create live sessions from any manipulative pre-made task or activity. When your content is ready, click Live. Then click Start. Next, provide the live session code to your student. Students input the live code in the Share Code box for access to your live session. You can decide how students identify themselves. They can use the order in which they enter or use a 2-character identifier such as their initials. Watch as students enter the live session. You'll see their screens appear as they join. Above the student thumbnails are global features that allow you to message all students or lock their screens. Use the Lock All Workspaces feature to prevent students from interacting with their workspace, allowing you to give instructions to set the stage for your upcoming task or lesson. Even when locked, you can send a message to your students using the Send Message feature. Unlock to allow students to begin. You can observe and monitor their progress in real time. Live allows you to communicate with a student individually. Just click on the thumbnail of that student's screen, and a list of options is revealed. Recognize a student with a cascading thumbs up or gold star to motivate and boost their confidence. Message a student individually as needed. You can also lock their screen or remove them from the session if needed. Students can raise their hand by clicking Raise Hand. You can communicate to your students the meaning of each color. Back on the teacher's screen, the student identifiers are highlighted based on the color selected. Interact with students by clicking on their thumbnail to reveal options to load their screen onto your own workspace. This allows you to provide feedback, differentiate, or ensure they're going in the right direction. Once you've completed your feedback or changes, you can send it back to that student or to other students who might need similar accommodations. When your live session is almost done, message students to inform them that they should finalize their work. You can download a report of your live session by selecting Export button. This generates a PDF that captures student screens at that time. To end your live session, simply select Exit. Once completed, students can submit their work by simply clicking on Share and selecting the format you desire. Now that you know about Brainingcamp Live, try it out with your students. Let us know if you have any questions or concerns.